Today we will talk about the Folicrex products review. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Folicrex. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing Folicrex. The first thing you need to know about Folicrex is, be careful about the website you will buy Folicrex, because Folicrex is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Folicrex and really works? And the answer is yes, Folicrex works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will, based on Folicrex review, the supplement can improve hair regrowth in men and women, and it can also improve memory and prevent memory problems. Folicrex Hair Regrow is a newly launched natural hair growth supplement that addresses the reason for hair loss at the root of the problem. It's a blend of effective ingredients that increase your body's natural power to improve the hair growth. The manufacturers of the supplement believe that hair loss has nothing to do with genetics, human hormones, age, or diet. They advertise the ingredients utilized in Folicrex provide the body with the proper nutrients needed to stimulate healthful hair growth without intrusive surgical treatment or the negative effects. Not only are the ingredients in Folicrex able to support the regrowth of hair, nails, and skin, they also help your general health and well-being. They have been proven in scientific tests to be the best possible ingredients for best results. Folicrex ingredients. Behenic acid. Another fatty acid is behenic acid. The fatty acid comes from seeds of the Amazon tree species. It's considered to protect against environmental toxins. The ingredient is generally sought after as being a conditioning and thickening agent, surfactant, or opacifier, as per the claims. It's most well known for the emollient attributes that can help recover the skin oils, and possibly also the scalps. LN9 Neuronic. Dr. Casey mentioned that LN9 Neuronic can strengthen hair follicles and promote the biotin or minerals to reach your hair. Vitamin B12A, E. To completely understand the impact of minerals and vitamins on hair loss. The experts started with vitamin B12 and revealed that there are only a handful of research on this subject. A vitamin B12 deficiency has been linked to premature graying. VITA can lead to hair loss if there is too much of it. However, healthful hair requires the right amount. Vitamin E, an antioxidant, is known to balance free radicals. Palmitic and myristic acids. Palmitic acid is the second long-chain fatty acid to make it to the list. Additionally, it happens to be saturated fats. Due to the proof that it could significantly improve cholesterol levels, the ingredient is a nonsensical one. Dr. Casey noticed that there's little evidence to support palmitic acid's protective role as a barrier against hair loss or gut diseases. Myristic acid is the last long-chain fatty and second saturated fat in Folicrex, which is a questionable form of palmitic acid. Astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is an antioxidant that has been appreciated for its ability to decrease free radicals and improve immune performance. Astaxanthin is a natural inhibitor for enzyme 5-alpha reductase, based on one source. It could help hair health by lowering DHT levels. This hormone is clearly associated with male pattern hair. Folicrex so far has had no side effects. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Folicrex, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Folicrex, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Folicrex during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the Folicrex, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for Folicrex to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, take 2 capsules each day, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. Also important for you to know, Folicrex has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Folicrex, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that Folicrex really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video, see you later.